The web forum of the Windows utility developer IObit was attacked over the weekend. Forum members started to receive emails pretending to be from IObit, offering a free 1-year license for their software. The link in the email pointed to a zip archive hosted on the official forum site itself. In that zip file was the official IObit license manager tool, but inside it, the file IObit unlocker was replaced with an unsigned malicious copy. And this means that anyone who tries to install this software package will also execute the hidden DeroHE Ransomware. The DeroHE Ransomware adds an exclusion to the Windows Defender just to ensure that the antivirus will not detect it. And then of course it will start to encrypt all the files of the user. The attackers are asking for $65,000 from IObit to decrypt all the victims, or individually $125 per user. As a change, they do not ask to be paid in the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but rather request to be paid in the new privacy coin called Dero, and hence the name of the malware. It is unknown how the attackers got their hands on the emails and managed to upload the malware to the forum website. Maybe they managed to steal the credential of an administrator, maybe through phishing, or maybe they exploited a vulnerability in the forum itself, for example in the vBulletin software. At the moment, this is all speculation, but it is clear that this kind of supply chain attack, where the user downloads infected software from the original domain, can be quite convincing. The forum has been taken offline since the attack. Acronis Cyber Protect blocks ransomware based on its behavior before it can do any damage to your system.